How do farmers decide which crop they're going to plant? Hi, I'm Darren Hefty with today's Ag Minute. There are a lot of choices for farmers. They aren't just strictly limited to only growing corn or only growing soybeans or only growing wheat or alfalfa or whatever the case may be. There are many choices for farmers to have depending on the geography they live in. As you move farther north, you may have different choices for crops that prefer cooler weather. As you move further south in the country, you may see different crops like sugarcane, for example, that does well in the southern states but does not move very well to the north. So there are a lot of choices that farmers make based on the geography they live in, but the other big factor farmers look at is the economics of raising each crop. They can't afford to have a disaster with their paycheck. With today's Ag Minute, I'm Darren Hefty.